Welcome to Unnoticed Tech Trick episode number 1. Sometimes you have to download or search a particular type file from Google. Am I right? For example, in this case you type book, PDF download or PPT download. It shows very few results related to your search keyword. Let's get into the video. Go to Google main page. For example, I search book PDF download. You can see the very few PDF results. You can change it by click settings. Click advanced setting. Scroll down. Click the combo box file type. As you can see the list of file type. You can choose any of them. For demo I choose PDF. Click advanced search. As you see the results are related to my search.